In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a blog post on Shopify. This is perfect when you want to reuse a layout, keep consistent formatting, or build a new article based on an existing one without starting from scratch. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and choose Content. This is where Shopify groups your written assets, including your blog posts. From there, select Blog Posts to see your list of existing articles. Open the post you want to duplicate. This brings you into the editor where you can view and modify the content. To copy everything quickly, click into the editor, then select all the content. On Windows, use Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C. On Mac, use Command A, then Command C. If your original post has complex formatting or embedded media, this will capture the structure so the new post looks consistent. If you notice odd spacing later, you can always adjust in the new draft. Next, create a fresh post by selecting Add Blog Post. This opens a brand new editor page, ready to receive your duplicated content. Click into the main content area and paste what you copied. On Windows, that's Ctrl+V, on Mac, Command V. Give the page a moment to load images and formatting, especially if the original post was long or included multiple embeds. Update the title so it clearly reflects the new version. A distinct title helps with organization, avoids confusion in your list of posts, and is better for search. You might add a new angle, a date, or a specific keyword to differentiate it from the original. Decide which blog it belongs to. Many stores have multiple blogs like news, tutorials, or journal. Use the blog assignment option to place the post in the same blog as the original, or choose a different one if the content fits better elsewhere. This keeps your site structure tidy and helps readers find related content. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Saving creates the new post so you can continue refining it. After saving, take a quick glance at your formatting, headings, and links to ensure everything carried over cleanly. If you plan to publish right away, confirm the visibility settings. If not, you can leave it as a draft or schedule it for later. That's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a blog post by copying the content into a new post, updating the title, assigning it to the right blog, and saving your work. This approach keeps your workflow efficient and your branding consistent across articles.